Hello guys, this is Akshay and today I'm going to explain you about my fourth experiment of my database lab. Database structure lab. So the in the lab we got question set, or you can say schema as this one, for sets and join operations. Okay, so these were the question: display the product that was delivered using union operation, then minus. So for that I do have a, a set of queries which I tried. So I have here, and this time I'm going to show you uh, directly working in SQL how those commands are working. So as you can see, the first question refers here is display the product that was ordered and the delivered. So we have to use union operation for displaying the product that was delivered, union again to display the delivered product. Okay, so this is the command. Okay, right. So as you can see, I have the old table with me, so I'll just paste this command. So in this command I am displaying the product details. Okay, where the product details like product ID and product ID from the supplier. So product table and product supplier table has common as product ID columns. So these two columns are common, so I'm using union operation for these two, and if I press enter, so you'll be able to see the details of the product, and so product ID, product description, product finish, product line ID, product quantity, etc., which were there which were union with using this these two tables, product and this supplier table were done with this union operation. So now we move on to our next question: display the details of the product that are yet to be delivered. Okay, and so here we have to do this minus operation, copy, and here it is, paste. So as you can see, I am doing the same thing, displaying the product details using the so using these two, and instead of this union I am putting minus operation over here. Okay, so if you see, it will subtract those product IDs which are not present in the supplier table, and only show it will only show the product ID product details related to the product ID which are not there in the supplier table. So that's how it works. Now the next one, and copy. Yeah, so as you can see here, list the names of the customer who has placed an order after 10th October. So after 10th October, whatever after 10th October or on the 10th October, so that's why greater than 9 October. So my dates would be in 14 and not to 2014. Yes, so it will give the names of the customers who have placed the order after or on 10th October and after that. So if you search in the table, yeah, order date after 10th October is 10, 11, 12, 13. So relating these product IDs, if we search here, we'll get the names of the customer, and since it's going above the screen, I can't show you. So going for the next part. Yes. So let's read the question. Display the number of months between order date and deliver date. So here, as you can see, I've done this months between, then select supplier date. That's your so we have to find the difference between the months, between deliver that supplier date and order date. So supplier date is here, over here, and deliver date. With this, we are also defining some value like product ID is equals to 4000 and select order date in the order table, where I'm giving order ID, so that we are getting the month difference between a particular value. So otherwise, if you don't put this, it will give many values doing Cartesian product. So if we go for this, it will give the difference as 1 month. So if we search in the tables of this one, where we had product ID is 4000 in the supplier table and this order ID is 100 in the order table, then whatever date is relating with these two, the difference between their months will be this much. Okay, so going for the fifth part. Yes. Now, so fifth one refers to display the details of the customer who has received their ordered product. So customer who have received their ordered product, so select customer name from customer table. So yes, so we are displaying customer name from customer table, where customer ID in. Okay, so we are actually relating this with customer ID to order table, as customer ID is common in order table and customer table. Then again, order ID is common in this one, order table and order line. So my table is not order line but order quantity, where product ID. Then we are also relating with the supplier table using the product ID, so that product ID is common in these two tables. So indirectly we are connecting customer table with supplier table, so that we get the details of customer who has received the product. So these will be the answer. If we need to display all the details, display the details of the customer, we just need to do, instead of customer name, what we can do is star. So it will give the whole detail about those customers, right? Now, sixth question, display the details of the product whose quantity is greater than 10. All right, so it's not a big deal. We just need to select from product table. Yeah, so order by quantity. So wherever quantity is greater than 10, it will display an order by quantity refers to in increasing order. Okay, so I don't have quantity in my product table, but I do have product quantity. Product quantity. Yeah, sure. So it will give these details about product quantity. Okay, so whichever is product quantity greater than 10, it will display all the products having quantity greater than 10. So that was the question. Now let's go to the next part. So seventh question asks for display the details of the order ID with order date and customer name. So here we have to use inner join. So details of order ID with order date and customer name. So here you can see we are putting customer name as asked. Yeah, so here we are displaying customer name and order ID from this one, also order date from customer table, and then order table, inner joining these two, order table with customer tables customer ID. So customer ID of order table and customer table will be displayed only once. Okay, so let's see what it gives. It will give this information. So it's actually joining using customer ID and displaying customer name, order ID and order date as asked. Then display the details of all the products that have been ordered and also details of delivered product. Use the left outer join. Okay. So we are actually displaying this product description. Yeah, so we are displaying the product description from product table, and then product material from product table, also product ID from product table, and then supplier ID, ordered quantity from supplier table. Then we are doing actually left outer join as asked. Use left outer join. So left outer join of supplier table and product table using these conditions, like product ID of product table and supplier ID of supplier table should be same, and also ordered by product ID. Okay, there is some error. Oh yeah, we don't have product material. We don't have product material in our product table. We have product finish, product description. We have product finish, not yes. So we do have product finish and not product material. By mistake I put product material finish. So it will give you all the details doing the Cartesian product. You can see these multiple time printings because of those Cartesian product, like 1 into 2, then 1 into 3, then 1 into 4. It will multiply with all the things. So due to this Cartesian product, it will give multiple displays of the same product with different value, differentiating at one value, and it is being ordered by product ID. So product ID is not displayed over here. Actually, we did not ask to display over here, so it's not been displayed, but yes, it will be arranged in increasing order according to the product ID. Then we go for the ninth one, display the details of all the customers as well as order details, full outer join. So we need to display details of all the customers. Yes, so we are actually displaying all the customer and order details, right? So we are displaying the customer details from customer table and order details from order table. So let's check our values: customer address, order ID, order date, full outer join, then joining according to customer ID and order by customer ID. So if we display this, we'll get these values. Okay, so we are displaying the details of all the customers as well as the details of this one order they've placed, okay, using order ID, order date, etc. Now going for the last one, select star from supplier. So display the details of the supplier who has supplied office desk. So whoever has supplied office desk, we need to display his details, right? So here's the display of the customers who have ordered this office desk. So I'll commit this in my spool file and then spool off. So this is how my program is working successfully and satisfying all the questions. Thank you.